had my own stockbroking business. So I ran that for nearly 4 years, and in 2019 I closed it, and then I took admission to this full stack course with AttainU. So I'm a BCom graduate. So, but I did used to code like just for practice. I used to code in Python. That's it. Nothing, just low level thing. Nothing like writing big programs. I found the data structure and algorithm course. It was like interesting because it's more about understanding the logic of different algorithms and data structures, and in which scenario you need to use which data structure. I found that to be more interesting and challenging. Like we started getting like co- companies from AttainU, so from to which we can apply. And the postman process was good because they used to like the student success executive used to tell us to apply for these companies, also to keep applying on yourself and upload the screenshot. So they used to encourage us to do all those. Keep working hard, make a study plan. Like you must be like Monday to Friday, you must be having lectures and like coding practice and all those things. On the weekend, when you have ample amount of time, when you don't have any lectures or anything, divide your day, make a study plan, stick to it, like for maybe uh, like till the course end. That will help actually, because then you have covered entire topics. Also, keep learning new things that is outside the syllabus. Also, like go to Free Code Camp or Scotch.io. There are many websites like Medium. Go through those articles related to what is happening in the industry. Like most of them are written by people who are working in the industry, so you'll get some ideas. So that can be really helpful for you.